Meaning of disgustedly.
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 Disgustedly. Disgustedly is an adverb that describes the manner in which someone expresses their strong dislike or revulsion towards something. It implies a feeling of nausea or intense aversion. When someone says or does something disgustedly, they are expressing their distaste or displeasure in a very obvious, often exaggerated way, using facial expressions, body language, and tone of voice. It could be accompanied by physical actions such as turning away or covering one's nose. Disgustedly is a word that conveys a strong negative emotion and shows that the person feels deeply repulsed by something.